The customer is the most important thing in the whole world.
Our interaction also matters.
Everyone on the organization that has to think about the happiness of the customer.
Customer experience is the DNA of Printsome. We're about caring, about being efficient, about being fair, about being fresh, and about having fun. Being caring is about creating value for our customers, to care about what they need so we find the best solution, so we become their partners. You have to understand what's their story and then help them to build their success stories. From the developers, the marketing team, the high management, everyone is involved in creating value, in creating a great experience for our customers.
I think that my best challenge is to understand what our customers want to. So I have to translate it into code and into applications and to create something that they need to and they want to use.
We never try to replace the human factor with digital tools. Digital tools or digital customer experience is for all that, only a tool. It's a tool that helps us to be more informed about our customers before talking to them. And when we talk with them, we could find out what is the best solution because we already have some information to work with.
We have to test in our customers and see if it works for them or if we need to make some changes. So this is the moment when we know what we have to do.
In the Printsome on-demand business unit, we know that we are creating a great experience. If when we talk with them as partners, we're having more conversations about creating value instead of conversations about technical issues or how to use the platform. Our customers, as we are a digital company, they leave reviews in different forums, social media channels, professional channels. And the way we can see smiles behind whatever comment or review they leave there is a way to measure satisfaction.
FindThatLead is an all-in-one software for SMEs that helps them reduce their expenses, increase their sales, and save time. Customer experience is definitely the most important thing in our company. We're putting the customer in the middle of the organization. We have a specific team that takes care of the support and more specific tasks around the customer. But as I said, if every single team in the company is thinking about the customer, then finally we're going to be able to deliver a good experience for the customer. So the most common issues that our customers have with us, we're a SaaS company, so we're delivering software to our customers. So everything related to the product. Normally there are doubts or billing issues or product features requirements. So we try to put all the knowledge that our customer needs online, so we're giving them more freedom to be able to manage whatever issue they have by themselves. The role of the digital and customer experience team is basically to make sure that the customers, they can solve all of their doubts. So we try to give them the right information to the customer in the right moment and nothing more, nothing less. As per our activity, as we're an SME software, so we work with thousands of customers, we always need to try to put technology and automation into the relationship with the customer. We've been investing a lot on talking with the customer, gathering their feedback, and making sure that the reason why we're here is the customer. We know the effectiveness of the strategies around the customer experience because as a technology company we have a lot of data. But the main thing is to make sure that the customer is happy. So we combine the NPS with customer satisfaction surveys and the interaction. This type of software, you're basically buying a subscription, either it's monthly or yearly, so we don't think about a one-time purchase. If you're able to make that customer come back, then you're going to be more successful.
Frizbit is a multi-channel marketing orchestration platform, and we provide automated and personalized engagement experiences to our customers. Customer experience is one of the most important elements of Frizbit because we deliver engagement experiences to the users of our customers. Our interface is one of the important mediums that we deliver to our customers in terms of how they experience our platform.
Currently, I'm working on the user interface about some dashboard. I think UI is extremely important because It's the first thing they experience when they visit our website, before they buy anything. If we can't present ourselves good enough, then it will be twice as hard to sell our services. For me, digital means users can access our services whenever or wherever they want. It removes the human activity from the process of accessing us, so everything becomes much faster and portable.
As our product is an marketing automation product, we can create some sequence of messages so that depending on their stage, we can send them the most relevant message they might need. We rely on the feedback, direct feedback from our customers. We try to get all this feedback and apply this in the interface design and development. The result speaks for themselves. If our campaigns really bring a lot of success and a lot of sales or revenue or conversions to our clients, then they're happy and they will just keep using us. The important thing for us is customers for lifetime rather than just customers who try and leave, and that's what we aim for.
FindThatLead is basically a tool that finds anyone's email. If you are on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram and you need that possible CMO or CTO or CEO from any big company and you want to send them an email, you just go to FindThatLead, click, and that's it, you have the email. Nowadays they call it customer experience. This is bullshit, seriously. I should just call it just care about you people who's buying from you. And I think this is super clear. Just care about the people who's buying. Don't think about any keywords or stuff like this. Just be a normal human who buys bread and then make sure the bread is just made, the bread is fresh and warm, and then the neighbor will come and that's it. It's easy, busy stuff. I think the time is super important. Once you have a response, that's it. You have fucking 5 minutes. If it's more than that, they're going to buy the shitty product somewhere else, you know. That's it, they're gone, man. If they have a problem when they do the shopping cart, if it's gone, that's gone. And also, for us, it's been a difficult thing because we're a Spanish company. We are famous for sangrias, not for having amazing software. Secret number one, if they never speak to you to do the purchase, don't fucking annoy them, okay? And that's very important because in the beginning I used to like, oh, let me call them back. Let me call them and say, hi, thank you very much for buying FindThatLead, man. You're amazing. How can I help you? It's like, who the fuck are you, guy? Where is this in Spain? And they will really like, they will go. We want to take them and show them the best ways. And if anyone wants to leave, make sure that they don't leave and understanding why you want to leave. And we have crisp, we have onboarding systems that help us to make sure that the customer experience is better. The feedback is amazing, but you need to have a straight line where you need to go. We just want to have an automated system that people comes, use the tool. I don't do sales ever. What we do is Facebook Live, we do value, we do videos, we about the retention. It's not about anymore about the acquisition.